Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with one of my favorite days of the month, the the Bargain Bead Box monthly subscription unboxing. So sorry for this really weird angle. My my tripod broke, and I've kind of been talking about it on my live and everything, and I'm doing a last ditch effort to glue this piece that holds my phone in place, but it's wet right now with E6000. So you would not believe how the contraption that I'm using to get my phone to stay in place. I have my light right here, and it's hanging. I have like a portable phone holder, and it's hanging over that. It's a hot mess. But anyway, I just got this in the mail. I've already seen that some other people have posted their unboxings. I haven't seen a picture or anything, so thankfully. But this month is, this month is Taking Wing. As temperatures cool, the autumn sky fills with the beating wings of migratory flocks. This month's collection includes a variety of feather and wing motifs and celebrates the many autumnal colors of the semi-precious stone Mookite. Oh my gosh, it's one of my favorites, whose varied earth tones range from reds and creams to brown, gold, and mauve. Paired with these natural gemstones are sparkling crystals, vibrant glass beads, and antique golden findings. And then every month you get a 30% off coupon if you're a subscriber to the box. And if you're thinking about subscribing, you can use coupon code Turquoise at the link below. Make sure you use the link in my description, and you'll get $2 off of your first box. So let me put these in order and we'll get going. Okay, so number one, we have a 16-inch strand of 4mm crystal bicone beads, metallic gold. So we see these just about every box, just the regular metallic bicones. These seem to be a little bit heavier. These seem to be more almost like hematite weight than the normal crystals that we get. I think I like them. I normally don't use these bicones. They just kind of sit in my my stash. I'm gonna have to look into a good use for those. Figure something out. Next, we have a 4x3mm, 7.5-inch strand of crystal Rondelle beads, Bisque Shimmer. That's a good name. That's exactly what I think Bisque Shimmer would look like. Very nice, very pretty. It's showing up a little bit more cream beigey on the camera, but it's a little bit more peach in real life. More creamy peach. Number three, we have 1 meter, 5.5 by 3.5mm steel chain, lead and nickel free. Very nice. It's a weird color. It's almost like a brass instead of, sometimes they do that bright macaroni and cheese gold, and I don't really like it, but this one's, it's an antique gold for sure. I like it. Number four, we have a 10-gram bag, 17mm feather charm drops. Very cute. Lead and cadmium free. Very nice. Let's make some really cute earrings, like dangly earrings. I'm already seeing something with that. Ooh, number five, 2-piece 45 by 11mm curved feather charms, lead, nickel, cadmium free. I really like these. These are really great bracelet bars because you can see they're curved. I mean, yes, you could use them earrings. You could use them for a necklace, but I would definitely use it for a bracelet bar. I think that's really cool. Maybe I'll make a bracelet with it. I don't know how that happened in the background. I guess my camera's moving. Oh my goodness. All right, so there we go. That's a little better. Sorry, it's amateur hour here. Pretty much is always amateur hour. Oh, I'm glad I cracked myself up. I don't know about you guys. All right, so 6 is a 10-gram bag of 4x2 braided spacer beads, lead, nickel, cadmium free. These are really pretty. I like these. I love using spacer beads, and I love that these are towards the antique color more than just bright gold. Next we have number 7, which is one piece 56 by 17 millimeter feather pendant lead nickel cadmium free. This goes with those other feathers, but just a pendant. This is really nice. I think I would use that actually in the background. I guess you could see that I had these bone beads out. I think those would look kind of good together. Sorry, we're just a hot mess express over here at House Chavers today. Number 8, 3 sets, 17 by 21 millimeter embellished toggle clasps, antique gold. I'm pretty sure we've gotten these before, but they're really nice. I like just plain toggles. They're perfect for easy bracelets. Number 9 is approximately 8-inch strand of 8 by 6 millimeter crystal rondelles and goldenrod shimmer. That's really pretty. I love yellow. These are really nice. I like that luster on there. Very pretty. Again, I'm just going to apologize because the camera keeps moving and I'm not going to keep correcting it. If you could see my bead room, you would be horrified. This is like 8 projects back here that I just kind of moved out of the way to get the camera going, and it's not working. So anywho, number 10, we've got some bead caps, 10-gram bag, 8 millimeter bead caps, lead, nickel, cadmium free. Here we go. Those are really nice. I like those. Number 11, 15-inch strand, 5 to 11 millimeter Mookite chip beads. I don't know that I have any Mookite chip beads. I have a lot of Mookite, but I don't know if I have chips, and that's great because I love Mookite. It's funny because I don't really see green that often in Mookite, and there's some green in that one, but I love the mustard in Mookite. I love the pink in Mookite, and I love the cream in Mookite the most. It's so wonderful. I've never really seen like a pink quartz looking piece like that, so I'm not sure if that actually is Mookite, but these are really lovely. I love those. Very nice. Next we have a 7.5-inch strand of sesame jasper 8 millimeter round beads. I've never seen sesame jasper this color. Usually I see it dyed in like brighter greens and pinks and blues. So this is an interesting color. Number 13, more Mookite. It's 15-inch strand of 6 millimeter Mookite round beads. These are lovely. I love those. I kind of hoard my Mookite, so you never see me use it because I like it so much, but I gotta make something. We'll see. We'll try and make something. We'll try. Actually, now that I'm talking about it, I'm seeing a few things. I'm thinking a few things. All right, I'll make myself use some of it. Number 14, 10-piece strand, 10 millimeter Mookite round beads. Here we go. So more cream and red in this strand. Number 15, 10-piece 14 by 9 millimeter round feather embellished drops, lead, nickel, cadmium free. These are cute. Wow, I really like those. I haven't seen those before. I like it when we get something we haven't really seen. Let's try and get that in the camera. There we go. Very nice. I really like those. Number 16, 10-inch strand, 6 millimeter round glass beads. Lavender. That's nice. That looks really good with the Mookite, actually. Love those. Love those. Number 17. Ooh. 5-piece strand, 12 by 15 or 12 to 15 millimeter Mookite faceted nugget beads. I'm really loving this box. I actually really love this box. These are great. I really see like an asymmetrical bracelet with these. Ugh, I have so many ideas from this box. This is great. I might just have to do like a blitz. I don't have like the time to put out several videos just for one box, but I could just make one video for the entire box. I'm seeing a bracelet with this, bracelet with a bracelet bar. I've already kind of seen some necklaces in my brain from this box. This box is great. It's getting my creativity going. Number 18, I'm in love with it. 34mm hand-carved Mookite wing pendant. It says Mookite is a natural stone, so pendant color and pattern will vary. Well, I am super pumped because honestly, like, this is a pendant I would buy out in the wild. It's my mustard. This is, I think, my favorite color in Mookite is this mustard, and it's all mustard. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm sure there's going to be some really beautiful ones out there, but I'm happy with this one. Wow. This is one of my favorite boxes from this year. Great job. And then number 19 is a 16-inch strand of 4mm crystal bicone beads, Slate Peacock. I don't really see how this works. I think they kind of needed another strand and put this in there, but I could see it working with the purple. Okay, so I guess that's where it works in. I really like everything though. So, okay, what were my favorites? Let's see. My favorites, absolutely the wing. These nuggets, the 6mm beads, well, it's all the Mookite. These and these charms, and the feather bracelet bars. So yeah, this is a cool box, and I have so many ideas, and I can't wait to make them. Hopefully I have time to make them, but let me know, what was your favorite part? Again, I apologize so much for the hot messedness of this video. But I figure if you're here watching it after other people have already posted theirs, then you must be, you must like my channel a little bit. So thank you for sticking in there. Let me know what you think. Did you like this month? Did you not like this month? What did your box look like? And then stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. She loves you guys, and I do too. And I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Again, if you want to save $2 off of your first box, use coupon code turquoise at the link below in my description, and that helps the channel as well. So have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye-bye. Hi, sweetie. We snuggling? Yeah, is mommy too close to your face? Hi. Who's a good girl? You are. Look at those little paws. Do you have little white feet? Yeah. Hi, cutie. Hi. You're a good girl. Getting your tummy rub. Yeah. Look at that little nose. Boop. Boop.